Hello everyone, welcome to another Lou's Redos. The other day I was on a website called What's on Your Plate.
Well, you're on Facebook, and you were on a page
Correct.
called What's on Your Plate.
Which I am a member of. And someone on there was having an issue peeling hard-boiled eggs. Not that difficult, folks. We're going to show you a quick and easy method to peel eggs. You want to boil an egg, depending on the size, medium egg 12 minutes, big, large eggs 15. Cool them down, ice them, run them under cold water, any way you want, cool them down. What you want to have is an egg that looks like this. That's
Nice.
peeled,
Nice and shiny.
clean, no rips, no tears.
All it needs is a little salt.
What you want to avoid is an egg that looks like this, where you're peeling and the egg is coming with the peel. What I'm going to show you is very simple. One jar, half full.
Looks half empty.
Drop an egg in it. Cover.
Flop.
There you go, folks. Perfectly peeled egg. I'm going to do this one more time.
Watch closely, in case you missed it.
Half water. Drop the egg in. Cover. Shake vigorously. Now, if it was vodka, you would get a chilled glass, an olive.
Capers.
No capers.
No capers.
No.
Too salty.
Yeah. That's it, folks. Whoops. This one was a little stubborn, but
It's a stubborn egg, are you saying?
yeah. There you go. Perfect. No rips, no tears. That's it. A short, quick, easy redo how to peel an egg.
Hard-boiled eggs, not all they're cracked up to be.
That's correct. Enjoy. Remember, like us, share us, comments, subscribe. Anything you need to know, send me an email, leftoversbylou@gmail.com. Be safe and good cooking.